Good morning, FX Chief here. I want to say thank you for taking the time to come in and listen to what I have to say about Chief Chats and for participating and sending me your questions and inquiries about how to become a better trader. This week's question I want to use is, Chief, why is equity management so important and how can I make my equity management strategy better? I need you to think about one thing. In the book, The E-Myth, it talks about how 97% of all new businesses that start up every year fail. Now, why is that? One of the main reasons is they don't properly plan their business, number one. Number two, they don't start with the right amount of money. And number three, with the money they start with, they don't watch their equity. They are careless with their equity. They are irresponsible with their equity. And as a trader, you can't grow and you don't have staying power if you don't properly plan and if you are careless. And since we know that also well here at Market Traders Institute, we have created a piece of software as well as a strategy that can help you as a trader not only have staying power, but grow your account. And to help you understand this a little better, I want you to come over here and look at our charting software. As everybody knows, as the market moves, the market waves. And as it waves, it'll start to wave up like this, making higher highs and higher lows. And this is called an uptrend. Well, if you really take a good look here, what's the market doing here? It's making higher highs and higher lows. And we have a piece of software that with every one of these swings, this is called a swing, and it's called an A, B, C, D swing. See? A, B, C, D. And then it starts all over again. It repeats itself. A, B, C, D. Then it repeats itself. A, B, C, D. And this is called an uptrend, where the market is making higher highs and higher lows. Well, we have a piece of software that monitors the A, B, C, D price swing. Look at this, A, B, C, D. Then we start here, A, B, C, D. Now think for a second. How do you get your account to grow? Well, if you really think about trading, trading is a financial game between bulls and bears. Bulls want the market to go higher and bears want the market to go down. And there literally is a financial war taking place. And so when a new swing is created, A, B, C, D, after the D's hit, the bears take control and they try to bring the prices down to take out the A. And one of the things we've learned here at Market Traders Institute is the closer you get into near the A, the greater the chance the market will go your way. Now look at, therefore we have created in every swing a yellow cautious zone and a green go zone, okay? Green go zone. What does the green go zone mean? That means that when the market starts to retrace, okay, watch this, when the market starts to retrace, and it comes down just like this. It's coming down, down, down. The closer it gets to the A, we want to get in. So you have a very clear visual that we're not going to enter the market here, okay? Right here. We're not going to enter here. Nope, not here, not here. It's when it gets into the green zone, we're going to start buying. Now, if I start buying right here, did the market start to go my way? Did it? You darn right it did, didn't it? And so, see, what happens is usually when the market takes out the A, the market goes the other way. And so the closer you can get into the A, the greater the chances the market will go your way. Which means if you get in around here and you put a protective stop, if the trade doesn't work out, you lose very little in comparison that if you were to get in like right here, if you were to get in right here and you put a stop down here and the market turned around and came all the way down, look at all the money you would lose. You would lose all the money from here to here. But if you get in here, right here, and the market doesn't go your way, look at how little you lose. See, if you got in up here, you would lose that much money versus if you got in here, you would lose only that little amount of money. And we're real clear about equity management. We're real clear about where to get in, and we have strategies here at Market Traders Institute that help our traders not only know where to get in, but how to protect themselves to where if they lose little. Now, if you lose a lot in each trade, you don't have staying power. But if you lose a little in each trade, while you're learning, you have staying power. Now, what goes up must come down. Same effect takes place, okay? Look at this swing. This market's swinging down, making lower lows and lower highs. Here's the current swing. A, it's the same as in an uptrend, just the other way. A, B, C, D. Now look at this. Our software tells a trader that as the market's going down, and this is all automated, as it's going down, you do not want to get in the market while the market's in the yellow zone. If you were to short the market right here while it's in the yellow zone, look at, you're already in pain because the market's going against you. Here it is going against you like this. You don't want that to happen. You want to wait till the market's in the red zone, like here. Then you enter the market. And by entering the market, look at how the market starts to go your way. And that's what trading is all about. And while you're learning to trade, we have all kinds of tools. We have all kinds of support. We've got state-of-the-art software that can help you learn how to become a better trader. The real key to successful trading is not only knowing where to get in, but making sure that every trade has a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Look at this. If I get in here and I risk that and I go after that much, look at how my risk versus my reward is a minimum of a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Just like if I'm buying. Look at, here's my risk right there. But look at my reward. Wow, this is my reward all the way up here. This is like a 4-time risk-reward ratio. And that's what we do here at Market Traders Institute. We help traders learn how to trade. We teach them how to protect themselves. We teach them how to profit. We teach them how to maintain staying power and manage their equity so they're not part of the 97% that go out of business, like in the book, The E-Myth. Hey, look at everybody. Thank you for coming in today. This is the Chief. I hope what I showed you helped. If you don't have great software, you need to look us up and allow us to be a part of your trading life. I mean, we'll take you places you never even dreamed of that you could go. Having said that, this is the Chief. Have a great week.